After some more time, I'll be starting for Delhi. From there, my first blog will be shoot in Kedar. I'll be doing yoga. I'll be visiting the place. I'll be reaching to the seat of Almighty, Lord Shiva, and I'll be communicating you through my YouTube channel Yogi Raja. Please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can be in touch with my vlog. My journey is getting started from Kolkata and I'll be reaching to Delhi. After that, I'll be moving to Rishikesh and then it will be followed to Kedarnath and some other places around. So hopefully it will be a great vlog to watch for outsiders who are waiting to watch the place and yoga session at the seat of Kedarnath. Thank you. Keep on watching. Stay tuned.